Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. I'll show you different ways of how you can do it from simplest to hardest, so you need to watch this video till the end because it is very important. So first of all, the easy method, we need to check if everything is fine with our Snapchat updates. So you need to go to the App Store and in the search bar you need to type and search for the Snapchat. Here it is, open the Snapchat, and if you will have this update button, you need to update the Snapchat immediately because using an old version of application is not recommended. It may cause some bugs and problems, so you need to update and everything will be fine. Now you can check if problem is gone or not. If the problem still persists, you need to open settings on your device and first of all scroll down a little bit and go to General with a little gear icon. Then click on iPhone storage and you will see everything that is stored on your device. Here scroll down and find Snapchat in this list of applications. Here it is. And then Offload app. Click on the Offload app and then confirm the action clicking on Offload app again. It will delete the cache of this application because cache may be the reason why we get this type of problem. And now you can check if the problem is gone or not. But if the problem still persists, you need to go back in the settings, scroll down to the end until you will find apps. Go to the apps and here you also will have all the apps installed. You need to search for the Snapchat. It will be somewhere in the bottom because S in the alphabet is somewhere in the end, so here it is. Click on the Snapchat and here we need to make sure that background app refresh option is turned on. It is very important, so make sure it is turned on. Now close all the settings and go to the Snapchat and check if the problem is gone or not. And if it still persists, I'll have the last solution for you. Go to the Safari browser and type here Snapchat support. Search for the Snapchat support and click on open the first website that appears, Snapchat support. Here, as the Snapchat support website is loaded, we need to scroll down to the end and here we will find contact us button. Click on it and it will show you some submit a request options and some different options. We need to tick here, I think my account was compromised, something like that. It will load your request. So here basically if you scroll down you can submit your request. So type username of the account that temporarily disabled, email of the account that is temporarily disabled. All mobile number, email, username must be linked to the account that you have problems with. And here in the description you need to describe your problem a little bit more for Snapchat support team. So why it was compromised, why it was mistakenly compromised, some evidence, so everything you think Snapchat support team need to know. And when you are ready you need to click on submit button and Snapchat support team will help you as soon as possible. And basically that is it. That is how we can fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.